Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And on Monday, I went to the library, to Library Yarns, and when we came home, this box was on our porch, and Deron said, yeah, it's not a big thing. Well, it is a big thing. What did he buy me? Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. Which size are these? Medium? These are the new ones.
Yep, they're the new push-up.
Oh, far out. Cinnamon?
And cinnamon. You got tea of all the others. So
Yeah,
I
I've got
maybe...
the whole body, the peach body, and the Bubalonia. And thank you very much. What a fun surprise. Okay, here we go. This is my gorgeous, I love this doll. As soon as she came up, I wanted her. Look at these green eyes. Oh my. And I had bought her this. She came up once and I didn't buy her. And I was sorry I didn't, but you know, you can't have them all. I wish you could, but you can't. And I bought this dress because I knew when she came up again, I was going to buy her. Let's look at the difference between these. And I know that this top will adjust. I love this dress, or this outfit, I guess. It's not a dress, it's a three-piece, four-piece actually. Absolutely love it. It is very well made. I love it. It's so beautiful on her. Look at the Velcro in the back. It adjusts to several 1/3 BJD size dolls. What you do is, I put a firm hand right on the breastbone, collarbone, and pull the head off. And then you pull each arm off, same way. One side and then the other. All right, both hands or arms are off. You just slide that up. Here's the spine. Is that the coolest? Look down in there. It actually has a spine. These dolls are just incredible. I love them. Okay, so we slide the new boobs on, or should we call it a chest plate? Whatever you want to call it, whatever makes you happy. Let's face it, it's about the boobs. Once you click the arms in a Smart Doll, it's not as hard as I'm making it look. I don't have the strength in my hands anymore. When you put it in, you can hear it click. You know you have it on right. Put on the head. And then, let's see. Wow, girl. That's gorgeous. Just absolutely. Oh, butterfly up, huh? And Velcro in the back. And before you say this will snag my doll, the hard side is the part that goes down. And the only thing showing is the soft side that will not snag or pull anything. Look at the difference in that. Oh my. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. If the butterfly wasn't there, you'd see, well, let's call it the other butterfly. Beautiful doll, beautiful extra pieces. I highly recommend Smart Dolls. They're fun. Yes, they're very expensive, but when you get one in your hands and you see how these dolls are made and that vinyl over the skeleton, they're incredible. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.